solve is to solve the day-to-day business for construction general contractors, to help them achieve all their goals each day, and also to help them get all their time sheets, most report expenses, and work orders in order, and make sure that everybody in the field knows what to do each day.
My name is Adam Rook, Vice President of North America at Field. We are improving records management for construction companies throughout the world. Day-to-day business activities have not changed in the construction industry. We're providing basic tools, simple tools to simplify and organize and efficiently, seamlessly interact between the office and the job site. Improving various functions like something as simple as timesheets and work orders and field reports. They are bridging the gap between the office manager and the on-site field crew. The construction industry hasn't changed in many years, and so utilizing basic tools to simplify and improve the records management is a huge challenge, and that's the problem that we're hoping to achieve and solve and bridge the gap between the office and the site. The biggest challenge that the construction industry faces is that it hasn't changed. Construction managers and project managers of major construction companies are still utilizing paper formats for very basic activities that happen on a day-to-day basis. The challenge that we face is actually educating the industry that there are very simple, easy to use technology tools that are designed to simplify and improve their overall working experience on a day-to-day basis. And in terms of how are we getting the word out and introducing these tools, these essential tools, is really, we intend to be the ambassadors for the industry to help manage that transition, utilizing a very simple, easy to use, web-based interface to bridge the gap between the office and the site and help transition the industry to a more seamless, easier, efficient, more organized way of doing business.
So, what we do basically is to help construction companies be on top of their business for the day-to-day and make sure that everybody in the company knows what to do. So, if you're interested in that, please contact us on our website, feeling.com, or email me personally at daniel@feeling.com, or visit our booth here at the Launch Festival.